Your belief is your destiny, for what you believe, you shall see. Neville Goddard. When you begin to explore the power of self-talk and its impact on manifesting your desires, it's crucial to understand the profound influence your internal dialogue has on your external reality. The way you communicate with yourself shapes not only your perception but also the outcomes you experience. This concept is deeply rooted in the idea that your inner world is a reflection of the outer world, and by transforming your internal conversations, you can create significant changes in your life. Firstly, let's consider the nature of self-talk. It's the constant stream of thoughts and affirmations that run through your mind, whether you're aware of them or not. This ongoing dialogue is not just idle chatter, it's a powerful force that molds your beliefs, actions, and ultimately, your reality. When you speak to yourself with positive reinforcement, encouragement, and affirmation, you align your mental state with the reality you wish to manifest. The key to making this technique effective is to be conscious and deliberate about what you say to yourself. Begin by identifying the areas in your life where you desire change. It could be related to career, relationships, health, or personal growth. Once you've pinpointed these areas, craft affirmations that resonate deeply with your goals. These affirmations should be specific, positive, and present tense, as if they are already happening. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be successful," you might say, "I am successful and thriving in my career." It's essential to speak these affirmations with conviction. The tone of your self-talk should reflect genuine belief and confidence. Doubtful or hesitant self-talk can undermine the process, so it's crucial to cultivate a mindset of certainty and trust in your affirmations. As you repeat these affirmations, imagine yourself already living the reality you desire. Visualize the details, feel the emotions associated with it, and immerse yourself in the experience as if it is happening right now. In addition to crafting positive affirmations, it's helpful to address any negative self-talk that may arise. Negative thoughts and beliefs can create barriers to manifesting your desires. When you catch yourself thinking or speaking negatively, consciously replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. For instance, if you think, "I'm not good enough," counter it with, "I am worthy and capable of achieving my goals." This practice helps to rewire your subconscious mind, gradually shifting your overall mindset toward one of positivity and possibility. To truly harness the power of self-talk, it's essential to understand the profound connection between language and perception. Your internal dialogue acts as a lens through which you view and interact with the world. When you consistently use empowering language, you gradually shift this lens to one that reflects your aspirations and goals. This shift not only alters your self-perception, but also changes how you approach challenges and opportunities. Another crucial aspect of effective self-talk is its role in managing stress and overcoming obstacles. When faced with difficulties, negative self-talk can exacerbate feelings of helplessness and frustration. Conversely, adopting a constructive and encouraging internal dialogue helps you maintain resilience and optimism. For instance, when encountering a setback, rather than thinking, "This is too hard, I can't do it," shift your internal message to, "This challenge is an opportunity for growth, and I have the strength to overcome it." This perspective not only reduces stress but also empowers you to tackle problems with a proactive attitude. Your internal dialogue can significantly impact your relationships with others. How you talk to yourself influences your self-esteem and confidence, which in turn affects your interactions. When you foster a positive self-talk practice, you project self-assuredness and kindness, which often leads to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. For example, if you affirm, "I am deserving of love and respect," you are more likely to engage in relationships that reflect these affirmations. Conversely, self-criticism and negative self-talk can manifest as insecurities and conflicts in your interactions. Self-talk also plays a pivotal role in goal setting and achievement. When setting goals, it's important to use affirmations that reflect not just the desired outcome, but also the process of achieving it. For example, instead of merely saying, "I want to be fit," try affirming, "I am committed to a healthy lifestyle and enjoy the process of staying fit." This approach reinforces your dedication and makes the journey toward your goal more enjoyable and sustainable. By focusing on both the end result and the journey, you create a more holistic and motivating framework for achieving your objectives. Moreover, practicing self-talk with a forward-looking mindset can enhance your ability to manifest long-term goals. Visualizing the future you desire, accompanied by affirmations that reflect that vision, helps create a clear mental picture of success. This visualization, when combined with positive self-talk, creates a powerful mental blueprint that guides your actions and decisions. For instance, if you envision a successful career, affirming statements like, "I am building a career that fulfills me and aligns with my passions," helps solidify this vision and directs your efforts toward realizing it. It's also valuable to recognize the impact of consistency in self-talk. Establishing a daily routine that incorporates positive affirmations, reflection, and visualization reinforces your commitment to your goals and desired outcomes. Regular practice not only strengthens your belief in these affirmations, but also helps you stay aligned with your objectives even when faced with challenges. Consistency ensures that your positive self-talk becomes a natural part of your mental landscape, further embedding your aspirations into your daily life. In addition to personal benefits, positive self-talk can influence your overall well-being. The practice of speaking to yourself with kindness and encouragement promotes a healthier mindset, reducing anxiety and fostering a sense of inner peace. This mental clarity and emotional stability can enhance your overall quality of life, contributing to both personal and professional success. Consistency is key when it comes to self-talk. Make it a daily practice to engage in positive affirmations and visualization exercises. The more you integrate this practice into your routine, the more natural it will become. Over time, your subconscious mind will start to accept these affirmations as truth, and you will begin to notice shifts in your external reality that align with your internal beliefs. It's also beneficial to reinforce your affirmations with actions that support your goals. Self-talk alone is powerful, but when combined with proactive steps toward your desires, it creates a dynamic synergy. For example, if you are affirming success in your career, take concrete steps to advance your skills, network with industry professionals, and seek opportunities that align with your goals. This alignment between your thoughts and actions accelerates the manifestation process. Incorporating gratitude into your self-talk can further enhance the effectiveness of this practice. Expressing gratitude for the things you already have and the progress you're making reinforces a positive mindset and attracts more of what you desire. Acknowledging and appreciating the small victories along the way creates a sense of abundance and draws more positive experiences into your life. Remind that self-talk is not just about achieving specific goals, it's also about nurturing a positive and loving relationship with yourself. Treat yourself with kindness, compassion, and respect. The way you speak to yourself sets the tone for how you experience life. By fostering a supportive inner dialogue, you create a foundation of self-worth and confidence that empowers you to pursue and achieve your dreams. In summary, the way you talk to yourself plays a crucial role in shaping your reality. By consciously practicing positive self-talk, affirmations, and visualization, you align your internal state with your desired outcomes. This practice, combined with consistent action and gratitude, transforms your internal dialogue into a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. Your inner world, when nurtured with positive and affirming language, becomes a fertile ground for bringing your aspirations to fruition. To conclude, the power of self-talk cannot be underestimated. By consciously shaping the way you speak to yourself, you unlock the potential to transform every facet of your life. Positive internal dialogue cultivates a mindset that propels you toward your goals, enhances your interactions, and fosters a healthier outlook. This practice not only influences how you perceive and respond to challenges, but also molds the way you approach success and personal growth. Incorporating positive affirmations into your daily routine creates a ripple effect that extends beyond mere self-improvement. As you consistently engage in constructive self-talk, you build a foundation for achieving your desires and manifesting your goals. This practice is not just about short-term motivation, but about creating a lasting shift in your mental and emotional landscape. Your internal dialogue shapes your reality. By focusing on affirmations that align with your aspirations, you direct your energy and efforts towards realizing them. This approach not only enhances your resilience and confidence, but also helps you navigate life with a clearer sense of purpose. The ability to speak to yourself with encouragement and optimism sets the stage for overcoming obstacles and achieving success. If you found value in this exploration of self-talk and its impact, please like this video. Your support helps us continue to share valuable insights and practical advice. Also, subscribing to the channel ensures you stay updated with the latest content designed to empower and inspire you. Share this video with friends or family who might benefit from this message. Engaging with the content through comments and likes also helps us understand what resonates most with you. Your subscription not only supports the channel, but also keeps you informed about new strategies and techniques that can aid in your personal development. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more content that can help you realize your full potential. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Engage with us through comments or questions and let us know how these practices have impacted your life. Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to create content that meets your needs and interests. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey. We are committed to providing insights and practical advice to help you thrive. By staying connected, you ensure that you receive the latest updates and tools for personal success. We look forward to your continued engagement and are excited to share more valuable content with you.